If you follow baking recipes to a T but still have trouble whipping up results that resemble the picture in your cookbook, it may be your tools, not your skills, that are letting you down. Stand mixers can turn ho-hum cookies that take hours to mix into quick bake sale-worthy creations. Whether you're an amateur baker or you just like whipping up desserts for special occasions, a stand mixer is a useful tool to have in your kitchen. Compared to the less expensive hand mixer or blender, a stand mixer is more powerful, can tackle larger batches and heavier doughs, like your favorite bread, and keeps your hands free to multitask while it does all the work. Today's stand mixers are also aesthetically pleasing both in terms of design and colors, so you'll want to make space on your counter to show yours off, especially because these appliances tend to be quite large. Number 1. Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro. If you want a more tech-friendly stand mixer, this design from Instant Pot is the one for you. The digital timer allows you to set your mixing time, and you can choose from 10 different speed settings. The mixer will stop once the timer hits 0, so you won't overmix your batter or dough. The stand mixer comes fully equipped with a stainless steel mixing bowl, a mixing paddle, a whisk, a dough hook, and a removable splash guard. The 600-watt motor can take on the toughest of mixing jobs, and the power hub has the capacity to support other optional attachments like a pasta press. With your purchase, you get free access to the Instant Brands Connect app, where you can discover new recipes with guided step-by-step instructions. For a price that rivals the most popular options on the market, this is an excellent stand mixer. Number 2. Cuisinart SM 55.5 Quart Stand Mixer. If you want a top-performing stand mixer at a more affordable price, take a look at this Cuisinart. This Cuisinart model is a bit more affordable than the famous KitchenAid stand mixer and still comes in a wide array of colors. It has a tilt head design and sturdy build as well as a powerful 500-watt motor that can stand up to dense doughs. Accessories include a whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddles, and a splash guard with a pouring spout, all of which are covered under a 3-year warranty. Some reviewers noted that some of the attachments didn't quite reach the bottom of the bowl, so you will want to make sure that all of your ingredients are getting mixed before you pour into a baking tin. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Plus Mixer. If you want a powerhouse stand mixer in a small package, step right up. This KitchenAid is built like a pro-level stand mix, with supremely smooth results, high durability, and a sturdy metal construction. The 3.5-quart bowl is made to mix up to 5 dozen cookies in one batch and is dishwasher safe. The 10 speeds make for fantastic flexibility and power across multiple types of recipes and ingredients. Plus, there are more than 10 attachments from KitchenAid's suite of attachments to choose from, including a pasta maker and ice cream maker. Durable and built to last metal construction, with 67 touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. With the same power as the KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer, the Artisan Mini weighs less so it's easier to move around and is smaller, taking up less counter space. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. If you want a versatile mixer without a huge financial outlay, this bargain-priced Hamilton Beach model beckons. Even more budget-friendly, this mixer functions on the stand and detaches so you can use it in hand, making it a great choice for small spaces and tight budgets. It can't handle super heavy-duty baking projects in stand mixer mode, but it does come with dough hooks, a whisk, and flat beaters, so you can make a variety of baked goods. Plus, the lever on the front of the base moves the bowl from side to side to help you get a more even blend of ingredients. Some customers noticed that they had to scrape the bowl a bit more frequently than with other mixers, but overall found the beaters mix batters with ease. All of the attachments are dishwasher safe, which makes for easy cleanup. The 290-watt peak power motor lets you easily do everything from mixing batter and kneading thick dough to whipping fluffy meringue. Number 5. Smeg 1950s Retro Style Aesthetic Stand Mixer. This pink number whips up fluffy cupcakes and ethereal frosting, sure, but it's just as much about the eye candy as the sweets. Another retro looker from Italian home appliance manufacturer Smeg, this stunning stand mixer comes in 7 colors and features a powerful 500-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl. You get the 3 usual attachments, paddle, whisk, and dough hook, but other accessories are available to purchase, such as a grinder, a pasta cutter, and even an ice cream maker. Meticulously crafted to deliver optimal robustness, durability, and efficiency, the stand mixer's ergonomic design makes it pleasant to use and easy to clean. The planetary mixing action allows the beater, dough hook, or wire whisk to move around the bowl while the drive shaft rotates in the opposite direction, to fully cover the bowl's volume. The pouring shield prevents splashes, and at the same time, its spout makes it easier to add ingredients during mixing.